I became interested in water flossers about 6 months ago because traditional flossing can be messy, time-consuming, ineffective at reaching teeth. You can have sensitive teeth. I have children in braces, and it's sometimes just uncomfortable or difficult. Both this Bitvae C5 and C6 are powerful, highly adjustable. They have 3 modes, 5 levels in intensity, so you can customize your clean. They are safe to use in the shower, waterproof design. You can run them under the sink, which I like. You can refill the water, fully chargeable for 40 days on a single charge. It comes with this customizable insert in the bottom and USB-A on the other side. And to your warranty should you have any issues. Both easy to hold, I think great for travel or on the go if you like. Refilling is similar on both. You simply twist the bottom reservoir out, refill that. There's a tube that goes all the way to the bottom and you click it back in. The other one is just the same. There's similar design on both of these units. Super easy to hold, super easy to use, super easy to refill when you're ready. Main difference that stands out, however, are the tips. I do like that the 5 comes in a darker slate gray and the clear. They both come with 6, but on the 6 that comes with a tongue cleaner and an attachment for braces that's kind of more of a toothbrush style, if you will. The water still comes through there, but it gets in those hard to reach places. So this is great if you and a spouse or multiple children want to keep their colors different. On the other 6, you would have to put like a Sharpie, and then it does have the 2 additional styles of attachments, which differentiates it. The 6 is also slightly larger in water reservoir, but I don't see a big difference there. And the 6 does come with this bag to hold everything. It's a drawstring style. The 5 does not. Advantage of 5 is the price point is slightly lower. It's slightly smaller, but it doesn't come with the additional types of attachments or the bag. You can rotate the nozzles on the 6. It has a slightly larger water tank, and it has those additional attachments, especially for braces if that's important to you. I think the 6 differentiates itself there. I suggest the 5 if you want a lower price point, more compact power. The 6 if you want the extra versatility of the bag and attachment. Hope that helps.